Assalamualaikum Ania.
Walaikum Salam.
What's your project written?
So my project is about new technologies used on Earth. Like first, these technologies was in old time. These were used in satellite, like in space, or like that was not used on gravity. So no, these the same technologies are used on the Earth.
Okay, who give you idea to make this project, Ania?
So it was the syllabus in my last chapter. So I decided to make this because this was very interesting.
And from where did you take these pictures?
So these pictures were available at my home, and few were in books. So I cut from them.
Okay, so please explain what is new technology.
So first, the new technology like the astronaut, that person who wears suit. This is a special fire resistant. When the people are going, astronauts were wearing this suit when they were going on the space. So this suit with the helmet and the gloves. But now the same people like who are coming for fire brigades. So these people are wearing the same this yellow suit. So this always have a color of yellow. And the most people when they were going on space, so they were wearing this astronaut suit. And second, this barcode system. This
There is any logic that why do they use yellow color
sir,
or
there was
just only a symbol?
sir as a symbol because many people a long time ago, many people were deciding to wear different side. Like no, sometimes they wear orange suit. So these type of astronauts were wearing this type of suit. So like next is barcode system. It was developed for space exploration, how to explore the space. Like space exploration is development of technology. So this barcodes are now mostly used backside of pops, like bubbles and like cake, biscuits, these type of things to sell the products in superstores. Like that will be purchased very well. And next, these are satellite dishes. No, like first these satellite dishes were used to develop the space development. Like no, the same dishes we use at the home for TV signals. We use cable. So these type of, so they gave us very good signals. First, the people use these for satellite to see the vehicles, how the vehicles are controlled on the space. So this is ear thermometer. First people were using like the old time ago, people were using this for checking the temperature of the stars when they were going on the space. But now the same we use for checking the temperature, like this is a ear thermometer for checking the temperature of many things, many objects. And sometimes, and like here, these are those people, like sometimes whenever we think, many people say we want to become a pilot, we want do this thing. And some people like to go and visit the space. Like this is sometimes many people they want rest, a lot of rest in space, because this is very tough for them. It can make their bones very bad. So many people they do rest, they watch movies, they read books, and they do a lot of exercise. So this people they take a strong thing to attach with the space roof, and then they sleep like this. And second, the people who are going on the space, the astronauts have to do a lot of exercise. Like when they go there, their bone and muscle are not working very well, so they need to be fit and healthy. They have to eat good things, and it is very tough to eat food and drink on the space. So this they need a lot of practice for that. And last is first, when the astronauts are going on the space, so they are taking a lot of practice how to, like sometimes not these, they are taking a lot of practice because in the space there is no gravity. So whenever they have to go throw a rocket, so they have a lot of practice for that.
But it will be very interesting
Yes sir.
to go in the space.
Yes sir.
Yes or not?
Yes sir, very interesting.
Okay. So, which is, Hania, your favorite subject?
So my favorite subject is English.
Okay. And which job you would like to do in future?
Sir, a writer and a motivational speaker, inshallah.
Okay. So, why do you decide to become a writer and motivational speaker?
Because sir, many people they think that only we can become a pilot, only we can become a doctor and a teacher. But I think that the person who have high goals, they can be successful in their life. But when the person push himself or herself, they need to align habits in their life. Like no, my second book, Make It Happen, that also I shared about habits. The main point of view was habits. So when we make habit in the book, like writer is always sharing his thoughts, his feelings. Because when in my first book I shared about my life, so it was very interesting for me to share. When another person will read, they will also enjoy to write a book. Who have aim, their aim will come back and they want to write, because that makes emotions, that makes feelings. And we share in our book those thoughts we want to tell to people.
So, in your life, Hania, when you get demotivated,
Yes sir.
so which things motivates you again?
So again, when the person, another person demotivate me, I get more motivation from that person, because always the person, these people around all the world, they will never motivate you. If, for example, you are becoming a writer, they will say, "Oh, you cannot become a writer here. How you will sit and you will become a writer in village? How you will become a writer? Make a simple job, sit at home and do this thing. Become a tailor, become a carpenter, or something else you want to do. Become a teacher, simple in government school." But the people who have high aim, they will never be demotivated from other person, because they want their high goals. Sometimes many people, they leave their aim because of people around us, but when we leave aim because of them, then they will say, we didn't say you can't do this, so that's why you are doing, you left this aim because you can't do this. But every time we should say ourselves that yes, I can do this.
Okay. So, but it is good,
Yes,
huh,
sir.
to become a motivational speaker. Then your duty will be to motivate other people.
Inshallah, sir.
Yes, and it is a nice job because in our society, actually, we have lack of motivation. Huh? So many
Yes,
people are in our life because this time we are small. So many people in our society, even they don't like to appreciate.
yes, sir.
Very less people you will find after 100 people. They will say, Hania, you are a good girl. Asad, you are a good boy. Sajid, you are a good man. Otherwise, mostly people are available in our society
They
that
demotivate.
they demotivate. What is the reason that why we have this type of society? How can we change this type of
Sir,
like attitude of the people?
Sir, many people, they think that when they can't go by themselves, so they want to demotivate the other person. They don't think so that, for example, if the two people in the class, one person will get the position very well, another person is not getting. So that person will not think that yes, I should do hard work by myself. That person is doing very well. We should appreciate. But the person, that other student will say, no, she should also not get first position, and I will also not get. If I can't get, she will also not get. But we should not think this. We should always appreciate the person, because when we appreciate the person, we can do by ourselves. But the people all around the world, they think that universally, that we can't do this thing. If I can't do, then other person can also not do. But we should not think this, because many people around the world have every skill. No one came without skill. Like, for example, if I have a skill of being a writing, I am writing and reading. So many people have a skill of cooking, many people have skill of listening, speaking. So all the people in the world, they have any skill, so they should never lose their skill. For example, I have a skill of English language, I will never lose this. Inshallah, whenever I will go in another college, I will not lose this skill, because this skill will help me all over the my life. Inshallah.
So, last question, Ania,
Yes.
that like motivational speaker, a writer, how this job is different and interesting than being a simple like cook, chef, or a tailor, or how do you think so that this job, this work is different and it will be very interesting for you?
So because, for example, you are saying tailor. So tailor will only tailor the, like, stitch the cloth and return the person. The person will only say, yes, your clothes are very good, this money, and that person will go. But that person will not tell that, for example, he have a skill of tailoring. So he will not tell other person that what am I doing, for which purpose I have this skill, how can he appreciate other person, how can he value other person, that he have this value, so how can he tell other person. But many people like writer. So writer is always sharing his feelings, his thoughts, what his emotions. Because whenever you write something, what will come in his mind, he will write that, obviously. So whenever we think that like another person will not be appreciated, we should, like, I am a writer, so if I write a book, I will share my thoughts, I will share my feelings, inshallah. So whenever another person will read, that will be appreciated for my book. So I also want this thing. And motivational speaker, that always motivated the person. Inshallah, I want to become the top best motivational speaker then all over the world. Like, I want to motivate the person for their most of like people, they leave their goals. So first topic, like, that thing I have to talk about is, that is goals. So whenever another person that will forget their goals, I want to appreciate them, and they should come back for their goals and work for that.
Okay, thank you. It.